Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Al Yaminopu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's lecture number is 44 for annual term examination, and your topic is arithmetic 2. That means we will solve another CQ question from your arithmetic part, and today we will solve question number 3 from your short suggestion. Okay, question number 3 is given on the board here. The question is that the esteemed Abdur Rahman gave 0.125 part of his property to his wife. He gave 0.50 part of the rest of the property to his son and 0.25 part to his daughter. After that, he noticed he was still left with property or taka 3,15,000. Okay. Activity A is what part of property left with Abdur Rahman after giving property to his wife. That means he gave 0.125 part to his wife. After that, how many portion left with him? We have to calculate it. Okay. Activity B, what is the total value of Abdur Rahman's property? We have to calculate the value of total properties price. That means Abdur Rahman's total properties price we have to calculate. Okay. Activity C is what was the value of his property that was given to his son and daughter. That means sons and daughters property should be calculated. Okay. Now solution of activity A. Solution activity A. Abdur Rahman gave 0.125 part of his property to his wife. Okay. Let the total property of Abdur Rahman the total property of Abdur Rahman is 1 part. That means the whole part. Okay. Now from 1 part we have to subtract 0.125 part because 0.125 is given to his wife. Okay. From this property, from this he gave 0.125 part to his wife. So activity A is what part of property left with Abdur Rahman. So the part of property left with him is how much? We have to subtract 0.125 from 1. That means from the whole part. Okay. That's equal to 0.875 part. This is the remaining part with Abdur Rahman. Okay, after giving his property to his wife. That means 0.125 property is given to his wife and he is left with him 0.875. It's our answer for activity A. Okay, now activity B, we have to calculate what is the total value of Abdur Rahman's property. We are given that the team says that from this property, that means from this part 0.87 part, he has given 0.5 part to his son and 0.25 part to his daughter from this property. Okay. Now activity B, we will solve now activity B. Okay. Activity B is from A we get what? From A we get Abdur Rahman has 0.875 part left with him, okay? And from this property, that means from this part, he is given to his son, okay? From this left property, from this left property, 0.50 part is given to his son, and 0.25 part is given to his daughter. Okay, now we have to add these two, okay? So by adding these two, we will get from this property, that means from the left property, he is given to his daughter and son. That means therefore he has given to his son and daughter. Son and daughter, how much? 0.50 plus 0.25 part of the rest property, okay? 0.25 plus 0.50 plus 0.25 part of the rest property. That means this is equal to 0.75 part of the rest property. Now we have to erase the top. From the top we have to erase, okay? And then we can solve. That means the total property of daughter and son. That means the total property of son and daughter. The total property of son and daughter is how much? Is 0.75 of the rest property That means 0.875. Okay, 0.75 of 0.875. That's equal to how much? That's equal to 0.65625. Okay, you can calculate this by the simple calculator. Okay, 0.65625. You can calculate this by multiplying these two. 0.75 multiply 0.875. We will get 0.65625 part. This is the total property. This is the total property of son and daughter. Okay, this is the total part of property of son and daughter. Okay. From this, which part is left with Abdur Rahman now? Now Abdur Rahman left. Now Abdur Rahman left with him. Left with him is how much? Is nothing but 0.875 minus 0.65625. After giving the property to his wife, Abdur Rahman left this property. Okay, now from this property Abdur Rahman gave this part 0.65625 to his daughter and son. That means after giving this property, he left with him is nothing but, this is subtraction, simple subtraction, 0.21875. By using calculator you can calculate this one. This is a simple subtraction, you can use calculator. Okay, now we have to calculate what is the value of the whole property. That means we have to calculate the one part's value. According to the question, this part's property's value, that means 0.21875 parts value is 3,15,000 taka. Okay, now according to the question, the value of this part, the value of the value of 0.21875 part. The value of this part is equal to how much? Is equals 3,15,000 taka. Okay, 3,15,000 taka. So the value of the whole part, that means one part, okay, one part is equals nothing but 315,000.00 divided by 0.21875. Okay, we have to divide this and we will get the price is 14,40,000 taka. Okay, our answer is this one, because we have to calculate the whole property's price. The whole property's price will be 14,40,000 taka. It's a simple division. You can divide it by using simple calculator. Okay, now we have to solve activity C. What was the value of his property that was given to his son and daughter? That means his son and daughter's property is how much? His son's and daughter's property is 0.65625 part, right? Okay, activity C is from B we get the sons and daughters property is how much? The sons and daughters property is nothing but 0.65625 part, right? And the total property's price is how much? And the total property's price and the total property's price is how much? Nothing but 14,40,000 taka, right? That means we have to calculate now the price of 0.65625 parts price. Okay, now we can write down one part's price. One part value. One part value is how much? Is nothing but 14,40,000 taka. Okay, therefore the price of the value of 0.65625 per value is nothing but the multiplication of 14,40,000 taka with 0.65625. This is also a simple multiplication. You can multiply these two. You can multiply these two, and you will get 94. It will be 9,45,000 taka. 9,45,000 taka. It's a simple calculation. Okay, so you can use your simple calculator use the simple calculator. You can solve this multiplication. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. The students, you have no homework, but you have to do the assignment. I will give you your assignment on the basis on the instruction of our government very soon. Okay, keep practicing at home, stay safe. See you again. Allah Hafiz.